Volvo Trucks. The Volvo Trucks, founded in Sweden in 1927, has established a robust global presence spanning over 190 countries. Their 20,123 sales exceeded 250,000 trucks, with the Volvo FH being their flagship model. Volvo Trucks was the first truck manufacturer to introduce a cab crash test in 1969 and invented the seatbelt. Peterbilt Motors. The Peterbilt Motors Company established in the United States in 1938. Their notable model, the Peterbilt 389, a distinctive feature of Peterbilt Motors Company, is its affiliation with PACCAR, a global leader in manufacturing medium and heavy-duty trucks. Mercedes-Benz. The Mercedes-Benz, headquartered in Germany and established in 1886, is a prominent global player in the trucking industry, operating across 30 countries. The company achieved significant sales, surpassing 250,000 trucks. Their flagship model, the Mercedes-Benz Actros, is widely recognized. Mercedes-Benz is a part of Daimler Trucks, the world's largest truck manufacturer. DAF Trucks. The global landscape is DAF Trucks, a Netherlands-based company founded in 1928, operating in over 100 countries. DAF Trucks achieved sales exceeding 100,000 trucks in 2023, with their DAF XF model gaining widespread recognition. DAF Trucks proudly holds the title of the largest truck manufacturer in the Netherlands and is a part of the America Packer Group. Meanwhile, HOM Motors, originating from Japan and founded in 1942, operates in over 100 countries. Their truck sales in 2023 surpassed 200,000 units. Iveco. The Iveco is operating in more than 160 countries. Iveco achieved remarkable sales, surpassing 400,000 trucks in 2023. Their flagship model, the Iveco Stralis, is widely recognized. UD Trucks. The UD Trucks, formerly known as Nissan Diesel in hailing from Japan, has been a key player since its establishment in 1935, operating in over 60 countries. They recorded over 50,000 truck sales in 20,123, with the UD Truck Quan being their flagship model. An interesting fact is that UD Trucks operates as a subsidiary of Isuzu Motors, emphasizing the collaborative nature of the industry. KAMAZ Truck. The KAMAZ truck, all the way from Russia. We have KAMAZ, a heavyweight in the realm of heavy-duty trucks and buses, established in 1976. KAMAZ operates not only in its homeland, but also spreads its wheels over 40 countries worldwide. Their most renowned model, the KAMAZ 6520, stands tall as a symbol of Russian engineering excellence. KAMAZ holds the crown as the largest truck manufacturer in Russia, a testament to their unmatched expertise. Renault Trucks. The Renault Trucks, established in France in 1899, boasts a presence in over 100 countries. Their 2023 sales exceeded 150,000 trucks, with Renault Trucks T being their standout model. A noteworthy detail is that Renault Trucks is a proud member of the Volvo Group, which ranks as the world's second largest truck manufacturer, further enriching. Scania. The Scania, another key player from Sweden with origins dating back to 1891, operates in over 100 countries. In 2023, their truck sales exceeded 150,000 units, with the CNAR being their most renowned model. Skaga is known for their engine production and is the only European brand which still produces V8 engines for trucks. Tata Motors. The Tata Motors, an Indian company founded in 1945, is synonymous with affordability and reliability. Their fleet of trucks, SUVs, and cars has captured the hearts of millions worldwide. Did you know they operate not just in India, but also in over 125 countries? Tata Motors sells over 1 million vehicles every year, making them a powerhouse in the automobile industry. Their iconic Tata Ace, a light commercial vehicle, is a true game-changer. Western Star Trucks. The Western Star Trucks, established in 1967 in the United States, has carved a niche for itself, known for their Western Star 4900 model. They achieved sales exceeding 10,000 trucks in 2023. Western Star Trucks operates under the umbrella of Daimler Trucks, further solidifying its presence in the market. These companies collectively underscore the vibrant and competitive landscape of the truck manufacturing industry in the Americas. Ashok Leyland. The Ashok Leyland, born in 1948, this powerhouse specializes in heavy-duty trucks and buses, proving their mettle not just in India, where it originated, but in more than 50 countries globally, with over 200,000 vehicles sold annually. Ashok Leyland was the very first Indian commercial vehicle manufacturer to export its top-notch products. MAN Truck. The MAN Truck and Bus, a German company established in 1898, has a widespread presence across 180 countries. Their 2023 sales exceeded 200,000 trucks, and their flagship model, the MTDX, is highly regarded. Back in 1897, Rudolf Diesel developed the world's first diesel engine together with MAN engineers founded in 1975. Mahindra Trucks. The Mahindra Trucks and Buses is a prominent player in the commercial vehicle segment and is a subsidiary of Mahindra. And Mahindra, one of India's largest automobile manufacturers, established in 1945. Mahindra Trucks and Buses has a rich history and a strong presence in the Indian market, as well as several international markets where they sell over 100 million vehicles every year. Hino Profia. The Hino Profia, standing out as their most renowned model. Hino Motors takes pride in being the largest truck manufacturer in Japan, adding to the diverse tapestry of global truck manufacturers. Isuzu Motors. The Isuzu Motors, originating from Japan and established in 1916, operating in over 100 countries. Isuzu Motors achieved remarkable sales figures, surpassing 500,000 trucks in 2023. Their flagship model, the Isuzu Elf, is widely recognized. An interesting detail is that Isuzu Motors holds the esteemed title of being the world's largest manufacturer of medium-duty trucks. GAZ Group. The GAZ Group, a trailblazer in the world of light and medium-duty trucks and buses, with roots tracing back to 1932, this Russian giant operates in over 40 countries. Their star player, the GAZ Gazelle, a light commercial vehicle, has won hearts globally and produces over 200,000 vehicles annually. GAZ Group proudly boasts the title of being the oldest truck and bus manufacturer in Russia. Well, this was part one of truck manufacturers from all over the world. Stay tuned and get ready to dive deeper into the fascinating world of trucks from around the world. In our upcoming part two, remember to subscribe so that you don't miss it.